Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Whitney Uptown in Dallas, Texas. The Whitney Uptown in Dallas, Texas. And let me tell you, this is a pretty fantastic location to be in. I'm gonna explain it, but I'm also just gonna show it to you. You're right on McKinney Avenue. This is the heart of Uptown Dallas. You're right on McKinney Avenue, and you're literally surrounded by so many things where you can just quickly walk to and get some restaurants, some drinks, night spots, boutiques, whatever. Literally right next door is the taco stand, so you've got Tex-Mex just right here at the taco stand in the building. You also have in the building Hop Dottie, that's really famous. That's all around Texas. It may be national, but that's some great burgers that are over there. So Hop Dottie is right here. Across the street is Mi Cocina. Great Tex-Mex here in the Texas area, just right here. I mean, right across the street. Here you do see this is McKinney Avenue. You can see those trolleys, so the free trolley will come along and go along on those lines there, and it comes all throughout the day. It's got a schedule. Right next to here, it just keeps going on and on, is Breadwinners. This is a real famous uptown fixture. It's got great breakfast, lunch, brunch. It's Breadwinners. It's right here. So that's super famous with a dog-friendly patio. There is above there a really famous bar area. It's a bar area. It's a quarter bar, so it's that rooftop bar. And then if you keep walking past this, if you keep walking that direction, probably about 5 minutes, you're at the West Village. So that's literally so many restaurants, shops, boutiques, and more. That's just right there that direction. This is a fabulous area to be in. So walkable, so fun. So many young professionals that are here, and dogs. If you have a dog, this is a very dog-friendly area as well. So it's a fun area to be in. You're gonna love it here, and it's right next to the Whitney. The next video we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the garage, and that's important. Let's go look at the garage really quick so you can see that. And then we'll start actually going into the Whitney. If you have any questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text, just use the number below. And one of the things we're really good about is virtual tours. We'll take care of virtual tours for you anytime. So just send your request and just go, I'd love to get a virtual tour set up for the Whitney. And you don't need to go out here. You don't need to do like I'm doing in person. Let us take care of you, and we'll do a virtual tour for you and get you into the Whitney Uptown, into the apartments that you want to see virtually.